Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Hey, you guys have an opinion on this Royal Purple Max-Atomizer fuel injector cleaner? $8.88 sells for a Walmart. Restores fuel economy, maximizes horsepower, improves responsiveness. Doesn't seem like much. Apparently, a low amount of this goes a long way. Hey, if you guys have used this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. I don't know too much about Royal Purple stuff. I think I've seen Royal Purple. What do they have? Royal Purple what? Oh, right, motor oil. 1088 versus like 897 for the. So this is like a more expensive brand than this other stuff. I don't know too much about the history of Royal Purple. If you guys do, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Apparently there's I don't know, is there a big market for this? Probably a good enough market. Probably have like Royal Purple fans who actually use this stuff. I've never used it, but can't be all that bad, right? I'm just gonna assume it's pretty decent stuff. I'm gonna assume that it's probably used in like some like racing circuit or whatever, you know, if you guys into NASCAR, stuff like that. I'm just assuming that this stuff is actually used in like NASCAR circles or F1 circles and stuff like that. It's not really, they never got a chance to actually branch out like the Mobile Ones and the Valvolines and the Castros and all that stuff. But sure, I'm sure over time, like Duralube, like all this stuff come out. They're pretty big, but I think they just pretty much have like a small portion of certain fuel cleaners and stuff like that. But in any case, to be honest with you, would I use this if I have a vehicle with like idling issues and stuff like that? To be honest with you, I'd actually just try to clean out certain things like the throttle body and stuff like that. But if none of that stuff works and I have a high mileage car, I mean, I might try one of these. But if you guys have, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. If you guys swear by this, leave a comment in the comment section. If you guys had issues with using this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. All right. Yeah, subscribe. If you guys have any questions, leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. All right, guys. Take care.